Alright! General! Salute! Present! Alright! Slow! Out! Alright! Shoulder! Out! Alright! Standard! Ace! Alright! Stand! Easy!
Councillors, ladies and gentlemen, it's a great honour to be with you here today and to receive the freedom of the city of Dundee on behalf of the Royal Regiment of Scotland. When we think of Dundee, we think of a city shaped by people, by creativity, by resilience and pride. This is a place where history is not just remembered, but felt. And Dundee's connection to the Black Watch is a powerful element of that story. As you know, the Royal Regiment of Scotland incorporates the Black Watch as one of our antecedent battalions, and we carry that heritage with us, not as ashes, but as flames. We, as the Royal Regiment of Scotland, were formed in 2006, founded on the extraordinary service of our antecedents, but forged in the crucible of the hard yards and the hard graft of campaigns in Iraq, in Afghanistan, and other operations around the world, as well as service here at home. So the history of the Royal Regiment of Scotland is co-joined with that of the city of Dundee. And it's a history of proud service. In the First World War, young men from this city, mill workers, journalists, sportsmen, neighbours, stood shoulder to shoulder in the Black Watch, the 4th Battalion of which became known as Dundee's Own. They marched from these streets, from this very square, carrying with them the hopes of an entire community. And today, across Dundee and indeed in this very building, memorials still stand. Quiet reminders of that sacrifice remains part of who we are this very day. Among them was Alfred Anderson, born here in Dundee in 1896. He joined the Black Watch as a young man and went to the Western Front in 1914. He would become the last known survivor of the Christmas truce, that brief human moment when guns fell silent and enemies met in peace. He lived a long life, carrying those memories with him. And when he died in November 2005, at the age of 109, he was Scotland's last link to the First World War. That legacy, though, lives on today, through the Royal Regiment of Scotland, carrying forward that same spirit of service, loyalty, and pride. And indeed, we're very proud that our A Company of the 7th Battalion of the Royal Regiment of Scotland is based here in Dundee, headquartered at Oliver Barracks. So today we do more than remember. We recognise a shared story between a city and a regiment. And it's from our people that we draw our strength. People such as those who've got in front of you today, soldiers of the Royal Regiment of Scotland, to whom we grant the honour of marching through Dundee. And in turn, one of the key sources our soldiers draw on to bolster their reserve, their resolve, and their strength is the support of their communities, communities such as this. So today is very important to us because your support is our strength. So thank you for this great honour, which is a privilege to accept on behalf of the Royal Regiment of Scotland. Thank you.